Sinugod ka na ba ng customer? Nakakakababa ang customer complaints. Thank you Marisa sa comment mo ha. Handling complaints with grace is a skill that can be developed over time with practice and patience. Kaya tama ka talaga anak. I remember my mentee na si Jane who owns a small pharmacy. Nung nagsisimula pa lang siya sa business niya, every time may customer na mag-complain, kinakabahan na siya kaagad. She felt it was a personal attack. There are a time na may isang customer siyang super galit dahil kulang daw ang sukli ng kanyang assistant. Siyempre, gusto niyang mag-defensive at mag-explain lang ng maraming reasons. But instead, she apologized sincerely, explained what happened without excuses, and gave a free wellness kit plus a discount for the trouble. Guess what? That customer became one of Jane's Suki and even told her friends about the pharmacy. Kaya anak, the lesson here is this. Complaints are gifts wrapped in frustration. They tell you exactly what your customers need from you. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng customer magko-complain. Yung iba hindi na lang babalik, pero yung nag-complain, they are actually giving you a chance to make things right. Kaya salamat uli Marisa for the encouragement. Your comment will help many business owners. Thank you for being business-minded, Pinoy. Ready ka na bang i-rediscover yung business calling mo? Click the link below and get your copy ng Discover Your Business Calling. It's time to stop sa pagiging uncertain at magsimulang bumuo ng business that is truly for you. Find your clarity, reclaim your passion. Click this now.